Hi everyone! So I received a package from Your Creative Studio and I will link them down below. So this is their shell box, as you can see here. So I did unboxes. I tried doing one of those like no talk, type of video. So I don't know. I may or may not upload it. I'm going to check it out and see how well I did. So it may or may not happen, but I definitely wanted to do my normal style video as well. So I am obsessed with their whole cards and packaging. So this one is the theme shell. There's a little seashell, and then here is the other side of the card right here where it's their little thank you note. And then they always have this beautiful paper on here as well with their little sticker. Definitely save this, cut it up, and reuse it for your junk journals. There is a little ephemera pack right here that has all these little sea creatures down in here. And there are some little like seaweeds. There are a couple little word tiles in here. We have the seahorse, we have a jellyfish, we have some seashells, we have this really cool octopus guy here, some little plant life, and some more little shells and seaweeds. Super pretty ephemera. So that's what's in that first pack. This little box right here has a bunch of little squares to it in red, blue, and green. So I'll show you those. See, there's the red, blue, and the green. So that's in that little box right there. And in this one was the washi. I love that their labels let you know what is in there. And then there is our little like seashell logo right there as well. And definitely save these for your junk journal as well. And let me see. There's the end there. I love that their washi is so shiny. It's very pretty. So that's what the washi looks like. Super, super pretty. Oh, look, there's a little compass right there. Right? Or is that a seashell? Nope, that might be a seashell. Anyways, it's very, very beautiful washi. And then there's this like little book right here, which was very cool. It has like little vintage like recipe stuff to it. See, so there's like a loaf of cake. Here's some cooking. Here's another like fruitcake surprise. Like, I love the little lady right there for her little mazola oil. Got some little tomato sauce. We have some chocolate cake. What is this one? Moonlight chocolate cake. Here's some more little recipes there. Got chocolate treats. And Pillsbury prize-winning recipe. And that's it in that one. And look, it's just nice and pretty and tied off with a little twine. In this one, we have some cling stamps. So we have our little seahorse and our little seashell. This one we have some more little ephemera pieces. So we have our larger pieces right here. Look at that lady. Isn't she gorgeous? Even her too. She's very pretty. Got some little pups. There's those. Then these look like little tickets, but look how pretty that is. The lady with her little kids. Then there's these over here. And then there's some like little numbers back here. And then some like little tags. Very, very pretty. I love how the entire kit just matches and blends well together. So you could just go ahead and pull out this kit and start making a little junk journal, some little cards, a little like vintage ATC card. You could do a pocket letter out of these. There's so many different possibilities. You guys, I love stamps so much. And my aunt just gave me some of my grandfather's stamps the other day. So I was really excited to see these little beautiful, lovely, lovely stamps in here. They're so pretty, so many different colors. Look at the little blue flower back there. Very, very pretty. Love those. Can't wait to use these. And then you can see there's some more in the little pack as well. I love the little stamps. I can never get enough of those. Then we have some papers here. I'll show you our different varieties. And then look, this is the packaging. Save the packaging. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful in itself. You could totally use that. But we have our little seashell page. Got our little octopus guy. And this completely matches all those little ephemera pieces. He's so pretty. A little seahorse guy. So gorgeous. I already know what I want to use this kit for. And honestly, this would be a really good kit for my cruise that I'm going to be taking in October as well, with all the little sea life. And then there's this notepad right here. And it's just the same throughout the whole thing. It has a little shell up here. And I love this. They have this tissue paper. I just adore it. It's like decoupage paper, that tissue paper stuff. So pretty. I cannot wait to use this. Then we have some little vellum stickers and seashells in different sizes. There's that one. And I'll show you this one in a minute. And then down here we have the little stamp. So right here it shows you what stamp is actually in there. So you see this one had the seahorse and the shell. And then that's what's right there. And in this one you have the lighthouse and the shell. And when you open it on up, that's what we have in here. And then look at how detailed they are in the stamp. I cannot wait to use these and show you guys. And then in this one, we have sticker sheets. Again, look at that beautiful rose right there. Super pretty. So we have this sheet that are like little squares already. So we got our strawberries and our florals. These are little border strips. These are border strips. And those are border strips. So that is everything that is included in this box. Like I said, it just says shell on here. So I'll leave a link to their website and to their Instagram. So you could go ahead and go check them out. And if you're interested in this box, you know, just look them up and check out their little site there. Like I said, these boxes are amazing. They do monthly boxes that are absolutely beautiful. I think this is the 4th box that I've received from them, and I've just loved every single one. Let me show you this paper. This is the paper that comes on their packaging. Like I said, you can save this. You can cut out each image right here and go ahead and use that for your junk journal. You could go ahead and color these in and then cut them out. These would be really good for like 3x3 cards. If you cut this little teapot right as far as you can and then layer it on another piece of paper and then use that as the cover for your card and make little 3x3 cards, I think that would be absolutely gorgeous as well. So this is just the packaging. Like I said, even the packaging is just absolutely gorgeous. So save everything from the tissue paper to this little backboard packaging, because look at even these, you could go ahead and cut these out and use these as well for smaller ephemera pieces. And let's see, even this right here, the little bags, go ahead and save these, and you could add these to a scrapbook, a junk journal, anything you like. And you can even carefully peel off this top little sticker and just keep the little envelope, or you can leave it with a little sticker if you like. It's still very, very pretty. Let's see what else can you use from here. Like this, I would definitely save this and use this little twine as well. Oh, I would just use everything. Like this part is blank. You can always glue images on this side if you wanted to cover up some of the writing, or maybe you like the writing. I personally like the writing and honestly would probably use this side. So yeah, everything I say you can save. Like even this one, like this is the background packaging right here. I would definitely save that because you can see it has little stamps and a little postage looking in the background. Like I said, this is just the packaging. You see, look at the packaging back here. Definitely save and reuse this stuff. All of this can be used, which is one of the things that I love. I love when you can use the packaging to something. Look at this one too. Just gorgeous. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I gave you guys some ideas on how to use some of these items. Hope you're all having a beautiful day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.